Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And now I need install full driver Epson. This here for the serial, and this here for the printer, and here, and this here the serial the printer you're looking here, and the serial the printer. Okay, and this here for Epson, and you click here for the website, the official website. You click here. This here you click here for the driver, and this here for the tag automatic the operating system, and my operating system for the Windows 10, and this here for the Windows 10 tag. Okay, and this here the driver and the download. Okay, if you need to change the driver for the Macintosh or the Linux, and this here for the Macintosh, and this here for the Linux the print. Okay, here for the Linux, and scroll down, and this here for the Macintosh. Okay, this here for the Windows, specific download driver for the Windows, and select here the plus, and this here for the printer driver for the Windows, and click here for the download, and press white, and this here for the driver download, and you scroll down for the click agree and click the download. This here for the driver download. Okay, this here driver download, and this here for the please white the finished download, and you turn on the power printer. This here for the turn off, and this here for turn off, please white. This here for off the printer, and this here for okay, this here for the off the printer. You turn on the power printer, turn on the power. Okay, you put cable USB the print. This here for the cable USB the print. You put the laptop or PC for you, put here for the cable USB, and this here for the USB the print, USB the printer. You put here for the laptop or PC, and this here for the finished driver download. This here for laptop the PC the tag the USB the print. This here for the tag. You looking here for the volume. Okay, this here for the tag, and this here for the finish for download. You click here for the install, for the open, and open the file, and this here. Okay, this here for the printer, click yes. This here for the install the printer. Okay, you set the full and the full. English, okay, language, and this here for agree. You're looking here for the license agreement, and your language. You select here for the match the language. Okay, and English, and click here for okay. This here for the install the printer, and please white the printer install. Printer install. This here for the put. Okay, install the print. Installing the printer, installing the printer driver. It may take several minutes. Several minutes. This one. And this here for support your the Windows 7, Windows 8, 8.1. This here for the Windows 10 or the Windows 11 new version for the Windows. Install the loading file, and looking here, this here for the looking for the finish install or the not driver, the print, the not driver, the laptop or PC. You're looking here the view device and printer, and you're looking here not the device, the print. Okay, this here for the don't finish, and this here for the Canon, for the browser the chippy, and this here not for the Epson, and this here for the Epson the install driver. Okay, in this here for the long video. Maybe this filter for the driver for the first install for the laptop. Long the laptop Asus and the printer for the Epson. If you need the request the printer install or the troubleshoot the print, and the toner you need for by toner, and the cartridge you'll see for more video. And this here for the smart, you're the e-commerce the this here for the put. Okay, install for the put the printer put cable. If you not the put cable, you put cable for the put cable. And if you did connection, maybe this here for the trouble, this here for the put. Okay, put here support, oh sorry, not support, and this here for the turn off. Okay, or the turn off, press white, and the turn on, connection. For the manual, click here for manual. Not responding, oh please one. Oh, not responding. Maybe this check for here at the printer. This here for check the printer. for I am search for the office for the office, Microsoft Office. Search here for the close here, the finish. This detect the printer setup. Maybe this finish. This one. I'm looking here for the print and at the printer. Not detect. Oh no. Not detect the printer. Add the printer. This printer. TV. This one for the office, for the or this here for the print. You here for the more, not the printer manager, not the tag here. Okay, and this here for the trouble laptop or PC. And if you need the question, comment below. If you need like a lot below description the video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you next time the video.